Now that's the cut. And he's used the pace of the bowler. This is a terrific shot, and just the mastery of Surya Kumar Yadav. There's the sweep shot. It's played with tremendous power, and it's gone all the way. Surya Kumar Yadav at his best. There he goes, the big man with the big one.
That's huge. That's massive.
Well, he's gone for it. It's a big one. And it's long as well. What a way to finish this match. Surya Kumar Yadav moves on to 47 not out. India once again have made short work of Pakistan. And now in the last 14 T20 internationals, India have won